Want a resume that stands out? Here's the resume checklist to get the recruiter to hire you instantly. Start by adding your name and contact information. Include a professional email, phone number, LinkedIn, and location. Next, write a short professional summary. Highlight your skills, experience, and what you can offer the employer. Add your key skills. Include hard and soft skills, and match them to the job description whenever possible. For each job, include your title, company, dates, and achievements. Focus on measurable results. For example, responded to 50+ customer inquiries daily and maintained 98% satisfaction rating. Include your education and any relevant certifications. This adds credibility, even if you have limited experience. Optional sections, for example, projects, volunteer work, or awards, can make your resume stand out further. Make sure your resume is clean, easy to read, and saved as a PDF for sharing. Tailor your resume for each job, highlight your digital skills, and link soft skills to real examples. Keep it clean, clear, and easy to scan. Before you finish, proofread for any errors, use strong action verbs, and make sure all your information is relevant and up to date. And that's it. Your modern resume checklist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more career tips.